Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, we are in Mola di Bari, Puglia, and remember our renovation video we did a few days ago where we went through and showed you everything that we're going to do? Well, now comes the fun part because we are at Orion here, and according to everybody that we talked to, this is the place to go for all your tiles, your flooring, your toilets, your bidets, your mirrors, your windows, blah, 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 everything you need. So we're going to be like kids in a candy store choosing all our finishes today. So let's take a look. Okay, if you want any kind of patio furniture and barbecues and things like that, they have an endless supply. This place is massively huge. And look at these barbecues. Those are really cool looking. I've never seen any like that. Very awesome. Okay, we're in the bathroom section, and I'm a kid in a candy store because I want everything. But we're looking at things that are easy to clean, relatively economical. They don't have to be super high-end, but not cheap looking either. So, you know, we're going to do faucets, we're going to do toilets and bidets and shower pans. We found a beautiful shower over there. I want to show you these sinks, and you let me know in the comments which ones you like here, if you like any of them. Yeah, these are so beautiful. They're all like stone and this and that, but I always go back to these like white porcelain rectangular sinks here. I think they're awesome. What do you guys think about showers? You know, you got the little telephone attachments that you use to shampoo your hair, but I kind of am leaning toward those ones that sort of just stick out the wall like that. I think they're very cool. They look a little like a waterfall. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, okay? There's so many tiles here we have trouble choosing. We already chose our kitchen tile. That's going to be beautiful. So let's see what we can find for our bathrooms. We have 3 bathrooms, so we need 3 sets of tiles. Check out these tiles for showers and walls in the bathroom. I wonder if they'd be too much color. Think about it. A bunch of other ones, a little wild from that taste. Okay, my camera's full and we're gonna go home and make some choices. See you guys.